Now let's start today's episode. (2011) Casrail Fan Weekend Parade of Steam Locomotives. Cab view of Tram in Helsinki on Line 8 during winter season. First of all, it's a huge difference, guys. Subscribe to the channel also. If you want to feature your video on this channel, submit it to link given in description. Also, thanks button is activated if you like the video. Wagon leading train got derailed. Train descending from hill level in middle of the road in Bautzen. Diesel locomotive from 90s coming out of Locoshed. Crane lifting locomotive during maintenance work. Beautiful view of narrow gauge railway in Locoshed. All the sources will be linked in the description. Thanks for watching and we will meet next week.